All right, here is a 2019 Ford F-350 that has a 9-year ceramic coating, which is going to protect the paint for 9 years if cared for properly, right? So just like anything else, you have to take care of it in order for it to last. But this is day 2 of the coating fully cured. The paint looks super glossy, highly reflective, highly hydrophobic. Wheels, interior and barrels have been also coated. I mean, it's a very pretty truck. And I don't use pretty that often unless I'm talking to my fiance. So there it is. Sharp. I mean, it's a beautiful truck. Clean. Lots of polishing needed to happen to make sure that it was perfect before I installed that coating. Here, these tips were, they were very oxidized. They almost looked exactly the way they do on the inside, on the outside, but I was able to get those polished up. Again, here's a wheel coated, entire truck. I mean, it's like looking into a mirror. So, I mean, this stuff is no joke, guys. The ceramic coating, if you want your vehicle to last, I highly suggest, or at least the interior, the exterior, the paint. If you want your paint to look good, you have to take care of it. That's just the bottom line. There's that. Another wheel, grill. I mean, it's really a nice truck.